Want to start a new YouTube channel without creating another Gmail address? Here is a quick 10-step guide on how to create a second channel under your existing Google account. First, log into your Google account. Then click on the Google Apps menu icon in the top corner and select YouTube. Once YouTube opens, click your profile avatar to be your primary channel. Next, click on Switch Account from the menu option, then click View All Channels at the bottom of the list. This takes you to your central channel switcher dashboard. From here, click the button that says Create Channel. Here, enter your new channel name and handle. For example, I choose a new name as the DTV. You can see in this window your name and handle. You have to enter here, then you have to click Create Channel. You have to, if you see a window that asks you to pick a channel, you can pick any channel and then Create Channel. Now it is ready. You all set now. Now next step, you have to customize your channel with the description. The next video, let's see how to customize your channel.